just grip. Boom with the rhythm, boom and cause I spin, no like just grip. Boom with the rhythm, boom and cause I spin, no like just grip.
Right, I think I might do something a bit different today. I think I might let's make a hip hop beat and then design some sounds. Maybe I'll just drag in some loops. Ooh. Do that 150 BPM. Top loop. Let's do a kick. And this one sounds like it needs a good snare. Snare racks. Let's put a kick in here as well. Alright, that's the drums for now. Let's put an 808 in, I think, to start off with. Get a bit of a groove going. That one might work. What I want to do first is come in here and just put these kick sidechain triggers on all the kicks so I can put some sidechaining on the bass. Alright, coming to the bass. Set that to the kick. The bass is alright, but it's too short. Try and find a longer one. Ooh, that's pretty solid. And if I come in here to simpler, just set the glide to portamento, set to 140, so I can get some of those rolls going on. Might be a little bit low. Let's go back up to E minor. I've got a basic groove here. That's good enough for now. What I want to do now is bring in Serum and just start designing some sounds. I might just key in some MIDI and then try and design the sound to the MIDI. What I might do, just so it sounds a bit more musical, is let's bring in just a piano. Keyscape library, maybe just a stock standard piano. I'm just going to play in some notes and then hopefully I can get some MIDI that works and then I can design some sounds to that. Just generate ideas here with a piano. Copy that over here. Alright, drag that MIDI down to there. Close that up. I might take all this off and just start designing a sound now. For this one, I was thinking about maybe giving it a bit of a tack, like a pad, and then trying to bring in a tail that sounds a little bit more pluckish. Maybe I'll do that with an LFO. So let's bring the level down. I'm going to make this long, maybe like 2 bars. See what it sounds like just with the ramp in first. So what I was thinking of this tail end, doing a few breakpoints and making a few pluck shapes. So it'd be something like this. Try and line it up so it's every, what's that? That's a whole bar. That'd be 1 beat, 2 beat, 3 beat. That'd be every half note. So it's not that fast. Bring it a little bit steeper. Let's put some delay on this. Bit of reverb. Have the reverb a little bit drier at the start. I might actually do another reverb and make it really short. Bring the size and the decay down. Try and get a bit of space out of this one. Alright, now let's put a compressor up here. To do another delay. Let's try another delay. So this one at the end, ping pong it. Maybe do it short, just to give it a bit of width. Bring the feedback down. Can make it dry at the start. Alright, let's bring some filtering in now. I might even try mucking around with a different wavetable. Let's bring in oscillator B. Do maybe a triangle? Let's put this on this filter as well. Let's bring in another filter. Try and shape the tone a little bit more. Maybe I'll assign this filter, it's at 83%. Let's assign this one to the macro. Let's bring this down and try and run the triangle through here as well. I think I want to try and tweak this shape here now. Maybe add a little bit more in the start part. Maybe I'll get it to play and I can tweak it here. Might duplicate this piano now and try and play in some other MIDI that sits with this melody. Maybe I'll put all these, I'll just quantize all these actually, because I'm going to make a synth sound out of it. Yeah, maybe like a pluck pad. So let's bring down the sustain. Maybe a triangle again, let's try that. And let's come into the effects, put some delay on here straight away. Put in some noise as well. Give it a bit of grit. Yeah, what if I modulate the pitch? Just a little bit. That's kind of cool. Let's bring in a filter. Put up here, put some compression on here as well. And let's bring in another LFO. Shops. Out the shops, mate. Let's bring this down an octave. Alright, let's bring in... I'll bring in some vocals. Put some just some reverb and some delay on these as well. Take that out. I'll put this side chaining here as well. Make it all duck.
Somebody get me. Just grip. Ice in the night, no light, just grip.
Alright, let's put some noise in now, a bit of vinyl crackle. Maybe something like that. Right, there we go. Let me open up the sounds I made initially. Let me unfreeze this. So this was one of the first ones I made. Heat. Pretty much that main melody for this beat. Use all the effects. It's cool, I like this melody. The LFO here gives it all the character. And the next one, pretty much just a basic patch. Just to give some chords. That sounds like this. Here's the effects. Beautiful. Anyway, bit of a different beat today. Went with the hip-hop beat to make a few sounds that I probably wouldn't normally think of making. So I'll give it a playthrough now and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
There's ice in the night, no light, just grip. Boom with the rhythm, there's ice in the night, no light, just grip. Boom with the rhythm, there's ice in the night, no light, just grip. There's ice in the night, no light, just grip.